Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm going to take you internationally to Colombo, Sri Lanka. This is Seahorse Resort, if I remember the name correctly. I think it was it. So this is the passage through which you reach your rooms, and it gives a very colonial vibe. It's very beautiful, though not very well maintained. After staying here, I could say that, especially the food part, but it's beautiful. The property is gorgeous, to say the least. I'll show you inside of it. This is the room.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Okay. This is the bathroom. This is the shower. Okay, this shower looks quite detailed. Lot of functions. This seems to be an empty area. This is the toilet area. And let's see what you get here. You get shampoo, shower gel, and body lotion. 2 soaps. Okay, let's come out of here. This is the electric kettle, mirror. Alright, and I'll show you the view of it. This is a door. Let me open the door. Oh, okay. So this leads to back there from where you can come. And you can see, because this TV is also there. Mini bar is empty. You can check out the painting. It's of seahorse, because the hotel's name is only Seahorse. So yes friend, this was a quite an old video, like 2 years old video. I was not finding the time to upload it, and I have made a detailed video on the shower itself that was in the bathroom. So friends, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.